Let's divide 384 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 384 by 2. First up, we look at the first digit of 384, which is 3. We bring down the 3, so we have 3. Now, let's see how many times 2 fits into 3. 2 fits into 3 one time, so we write 1 above the 3. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. We write 2 below the 3. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. We write 1 below the 2. Great job, we have a remainder of 1. You're doing awesome. Now let's bring down the next digit 8 to make 18. On to the next step. We have 18 now. Time to figure out how many times 2 goes into 18. We use the remainder 1 and bring down the next digit, 8, to make 18. How many times does 2 fit into 18? That's right, 9 times. We write 9 above the 8. Let's multiply. 9 times 2 equals 18. Write 18 below our 18. Subtract 18 from 18 and we get 0. Perfect. Awesome work, no remainder this time. You're crushing it. Let's bring down the last digit 4 to tackle the final step. Almost there. Last step, we have 4. We need to see how many times 2 goes into 4. We use the remainder 0 and bring down the last digit, 4, to make 4. 2 fits into 4 exactly 2 times. Write 2 above the 4. Check our work, 2 times 2 is 4. Write 4 below the 4. Subtract 4 from 4 and we get 0. We're all done. Fantastic, we have no remainder, you solved it. And that's it, we've successfully divided 384 by 2. High five. So, 384 divided by 2 is 192. We just learned how to divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number using long division. Remember, each step is just like a mini problem. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division pro in no time. Great job, everyone! Keep exploring and discovering the magic of math here at Let's Stud. See you next time.